go. I'm scared to like grab it. You grab it from me and I'll throw it. Oh my god, no! The seagulls! They're coming, Courtney! The seagulls are coming!
I have my fingerprints over this ground.
Look at them! They're summoning the demons! They are calling to their friends. Kick, kick, kick! Look at them, they're everywhere!
They can enjoy my horrible soggy cake.
What if your mum asks you where your cake is?
She doesn't know I was making cake. I'll tell her. That she wants the teacher to put it in the bin because it wasn't good enough.
Am I not pretty enough?
Ah!
Okay.
It's releasing the rest of my anger.
Fucking seagulls! Like you only threw them like the first slice, and then they just came like, "Wah!
Imagine
Go,
if
go!"
came to the door.
We held you being throwing cake. We are the cake police. This is
You're
not.
under arrest!
Yeah, that's not throwing the cake.
My hand feels soggy.
My hand feels sticky, if you know what I mean. Sorry, that was.
She didn't have time to do her homework last night. You know what I mean?
Yes, I do know what you mean. She was busy on her blog.
Can I just ask you a question?
Yeah.
Isn't this the chicken dance?
No, is it no?
I don't care! My mama came up to my face and she told me that it's not that chicken meat.
I really want to dance right now because of you.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
Okay, if you hold my bag.
Well, I'm not your slave.
Shut up, Pizzy.
I'm not your slavey. Don't take off your jacket.
No, the jacket's a blazer.
I don't give a shit. There's someone walking down the hill.
It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining. I don't know the rest of the words.
I wanna go out. I wanna get myself absolutely soaking wet.
It's raining, man.
Oh.
I am so done with myself, quite literally.
Here's your shit.
That's not my shit, Pizzy.
My shit is not the rain.
Oh no, how will we overcome this obstacle? Jumps over it. Jesus fucking Christ, that's a black over it.
My hand feels strangely moisturized.
I was so tempted, like when you threw it, I was like, I want it with whipped cream on it, baby, give me your love.
Yeah, I didn't hate my mom that much to let her eat that cake.
Who would you give that cake to if you could?
Satan.
Satan?
That devil.
The devil! Oh, Courtney, I had to smell the roses.
Gone.
Oh! Why did you do this to me, you whore? You whore? No paparazzi today, please.
Scott has photos of me dancing in the street up the whole building. This is how I messed up it. I'm doing this.
What? Because I don't like fruit.
Is that me?
What?
Who said that?
I don't like fruit. I said it first and you started laughing.
And then make fun of it. Stop, I'm not even saying that no more.
Why? Why won't you look at me in the eyes when we make love?
Because I don't have any eyes.
Oh no, I forgot. Sometimes when I'm alone at night, I ponder the world. I ponder the...
Oh, I thought it was just pictures, no, it's about plastic.
You got me all worried. They're like, wow.
You know what?
Oh no, who there? Who there? Beast of day.
Who's that up there, look?
I seen before you seen.
Hello? My baby? Oh, don't.
Please don't leave me. Dramatic walk away. Why must you leave me?